Hey, how's it going? All hours appliance repair. I just wanted to send over a quick video, just kind of showing you an opportunity that I think that you might be interested in. Um, so there are over 300 searches every month on Google for appliance repair, specifically in Midland, Texas. So over 300 people are searching for the services that you provide on Google. Now, if I type in appliance repair, Midland, Texas, I'm not finding your business here. And I went back a few pages. I couldn't find y'all there either. And over 90% of people, when searching for a service, they will not get past page one. So um, even if you're all on page two, three, four, it really doesn't matter because once people are searching for something, they're going to find it on page one and they're not going to even go past that. But anyway, you might be wondering who I am. My name is Sean Nelson. I have a digital marketing agency here in Midland, Texas, called OEI Digital. And what we do is we build websites, we get them ranked on the first page of Google, and we help funnel more traffic and more leads into your business. Um, I'd love to get on a call sometime with you. Um, my number is 432-287-7788. I know you're busy, so if we could schedule a time, then maybe we can talk about possibly a website build, getting it ranked here on the first page Google. We also do digital PR, so if you're needing some help with your Google reviews or Yelp reviews and things like that, we can help you as well. But anyways, again, my name is Sean Nelson. The number is 432-287-7788, or you can email me back at this email. Thanks for your time.